And I present to you Mr. Drew.
Yeah. Hey. Silly. Hey.
1, 2.
Are you ready to be in the mood? So this one we take come cool, you understand? Hey. Yes. See, if I no get I go borrow. Anything for my baby, oh. She know they make a warrior. Now they give me body, oh. You show me love I never know. You make my heart go ting-a-ling-a-ling. Me not go fit to let go. Girl, I wanna put it on ya. Yo, yeah, girl, you fire. We can't deny that. Many girl for me out, why you bad? Tell me who born you, mame water.
What's the name?
I go be your Santa, da da day. Where you day, I go day with you.
Talk to them.
Me and you be mood. Da day. Where you day, I go day with you. Yeah, I go day with you. Yeah, me and you be mood. Now you put the sugar for my cocoa. Call me on the phone and I'll be there. Hey, baby, I'll be there. You make a bad my one colo on my way. In a little traffic, but I won't be late. Can't wait to put it on ya. Anything I do it for ya. Yo, yeah, get you fire. Me can't deny that. Many girls for me and why you better. Tell me who born you, mame water. I go be your Santa, da day. Where you day, I go day with you. See, if you're enjoying the song, see, just jam with me if you know the dance. So let's go. Hey,
hey. 1, 2. 1, 2.
I go day with you. Yeah, me and you be mood. Da day. Where you day, I go day with you. Yeah, I go day with you. Me and you be mood. Now you put the sugar for my cocoa. Now you put the sugar for my cocoa. Now you put the sugar for my cocoa. Oh. I go be your Santa, da day. Where you day, I go day with. Hey, me and you be mood.
What's the name? Let's go.
Da day.
Hey.
Where you day, I go day with you. I go day with you. Yeah. Me and you be mood. Hey, back. Charlie Varosky, what's up? Where they go?
Why you put me in some mood like that?
See, no be giddy. This one be cool mood.
I like the mood. Some girl
very cool, but they enjoy the way you they meet the vibe. Yeah, I really enjoy them.
Some girl be the one too. I'll make the girl
be very necessary.
So that was Mr. Drew with the mood right here on MX Beatz. Charlie Jason, like a rapper.
Me, I never did a mood inside. So
why you not did a mood inside?
Oh, I mean, I was there alone. So, but after the show, I actually get some questions, some personal questions I want to ask him. So, yeah.
Interesting. Well, of course, reunited with my babe. Hey, darling.
What's good,
We're publicly announcing to the world that we actually are together. That's what everybody wanted to know.
Yeah,
Drew and Drew.
Yeah.
But let's keep it professional.
Exactly.
So let's talk about
Mr. Drew. I just deleted all your songs.
This is actually a second time here. Interviewing you on MX Beatz, and I think it's right we congratulate him on the success. You know.
Listen,
we've known each other way back, and it's just great. We know you're going to do bigger things. Let's just say and keep.
I used to watch Jason on, in Legon campus, right?
Imagine.
And he comes to do the MC thing. He's dancing on stage.
Hey, I know what you're talking about.
This poor deal.
I know what you're talking about. Anyways, carrying on with the show, guys. Keep sending us messages. Ask him anything you want to ask him about his music, about his plans, anything you want to ask him, and we're going to get into the show when it comes to what he's been about. But first thing I want to know is the concept for the video. I mean, that's what you performed with Mood. The song leading to the video, how did that come about? Was it difficult getting to the video?
It wasn't difficult at all. It was pretty easy. I was working on my album, so I'd done like 3 songs already, and Mood was the last song I worked on. And we actually wanted to put the song on the album, but we took it off and then replaced it with something else. So Mood was like the title was a mood, and we just.
So Mood is not on the album.
No, we took it off the album.
Oh wow! Okay.
Wow!
Yeah. We have like 13 songs that people haven't heard of. So.
You're ready.
Yeah.
Like, but when are you trying to release that one for us?
June, July. We're looking at June, July. So
Okay,
just
nice,
And with the video, X-Bills did everything, the concept, everything, and then we just told him that this time around we want something that when somebody outside sees it, the person's gonna be like very proud. And it's like, hey Charlie, this is from Ghana, mad. So when you watch the visuals, it's just top notch and it's something different with the choreography. We had a choreographer coming to choreograph the whole thing. It was just.
That's what I wanted to ask. With your visuals, is it more difficult? Because for some rappers and DJs, they're always, I guess, in the background. But, with dancers and choreographers, is it more difficult?
Well, for me, it's not difficult. It's not. Yeah, because I know how to dance, but there's some kind of difficulty in there because the choreographer, bringing the choreographer on, probably you wrote the song, I wrote the song, so I know how I want things to be, but then probably the choreographer has a different idea, and sometimes you just have to Charlie, it's for me, I think that if it's not me, it will be difficult for anybody else, but for me, I take it very easy.
Wow. So what really inspired Mood? Like, what is Mood about? Is it really about a girl, or what is it about?
Mood is a mood. It's not about a girl. It's just positive vibes, a fun time with family, friends. It's just a mood. You understand? It's not just about a girl. A girl.
Boss,
The girl.
what did he tell you? You're on your way. There's a little traffic. I don't even know
Right. You go from work. I know the traffic.
But Mood is doing well. Yeah. And another thing is social media, right? Now you're very big on social media. We know a lot of artists who've broken through, so to speak, through social media, like with Siatha, and you're doing a thing on social media. Has that helped in promoting the music, get to that next place? Has it been a positive aspect in your brand so far?
Yeah. It's been very positive. Looking at the challenges that I usually do, every song that I dropped last year, I had a challenge for it, and people jumped on. And then I feel like even if you don't know the song and then you see the dance and you want to learn it, you would be forced to learn the song as well. And then in that way, you're promoting your song. So for me, I feel like doing the dance challenge and engaging people, it engaged people, my fans, and that way they have like a proper connection with me because the person wants to do it and then expect a repost. Somebody will even DM you like, hey, I did your challenge. Can you please repost it for me? And in that way, they feel like, okay, I belong to this guy. I belong to, I'm part of his fan base. So yeah, it's been.
And how do you do with the negatives of social media? Because it's one thing we don't really talk about a lot. It's a lot. Yeah. People. We don't even see a lot of people coming at you. Yeah. Not just you. I mean, celebrities who are out there. How do you deal? Do you just have tough skin? Does your team help you deal with the negatives?
Okay, so it's my team, tough skin, and sometimes I just delete some of the comments that I see.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, sometimes I just delete it so that it doesn't influence somebody else to come comment. Yeah.
Nice.
So I just when I see it at first, I just delete it and then let it be. Sometimes I just ignore and then let it pull attention small and then you just forget about it.
He's good at replying. This guy knows how to reply.
It comes with some level of.
You must have learned that.
I don't see it, but you know.
I think he has handled himself pretty well.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Yeah.
And you're definitely doing well. I mean, nominated for VGMAs.
Yeah.
How did that feel?
It felt good. It felt like my works are being, seen. Last year, I think I worked pretty well. And we won Breakthrough Act at 3 Music Awards. It was amazing. And hopefully we're looking at winning New Artist of the Year.
Bro.
I had
Varosky's involved.
You see, let's just call a spade a spade.
Yeah.
And let's not be modest. I love everybody who is in the category too. Everybody worked hard. But last year was your year, bro. And it's
100.
It's
Definitely.
100. It's Mr. Drew.
Definitely.
So they know. If you're in the category, you know he did it. So you know.
Yeah, bless you. So yeah, big shout outs to Varosky for saying that. But it's not easy for everybody to come out to say something like what he's saying. Yeah. People know the truth, but they'll be like, oh, let's stay in one corner and then pretend we didn't see the guy work. Meanwhile, they were jamming to my songs from the whole of last year. They were jamming to my songs. You understand? Yeah,
do you know something that people don't also talk about? I think we spoke about this offer is about the music industry, right?
Yeah.
It's also a tough thing to deal with.
Charlie.
But people don't know this. We see the glitz, the glamour. We see Varosky in the shades, looking all fly.
Yeah.
The money involved. Like you said, dealing with social media. It's a lot of things. New artists who are coming into the music industry.
Even building your social media involves money.
Yes.
Because you're investing all the time. You're creating content, your looks, everything. You're Charlie, every time if I look nice, it's all money. It's all money.
It's a lot of money.
Yeah,
Bro,
a
we
lot
spoke
of money.
about this today.
Yeah, we did. I mean,
A lot of money.
that's crazy because Charlie, you have to promote.
Charlie,
It's not easy promoting
Charlie.
like music.
It's
But you're
not
doing
easy.
amazing.
Thank you,
You are,
bro.
man.
Yeah,
You are, man. You are,
I
man.
mean-
Keep it up. Keep it up.
So the album is coming out, and I know it's gonna be fire because I mean, so far it's been good. If Mood is not on the album, then I'm wondering what song is on the album then.
Exactly.
Crazy songs, trust me, crazy songs.
So what's like the vision for you? Like, what do you see yourself in the next 2-3 years?
Okay, so for me, I want to be like, well, the vision is to be the greatest performer from Africa, right?
Okay.
So I'm focusing on the performance side of, when it comes to African performances, like African artists and then their performances. Usually, we don't have it a different artist that's doing like crazy stuff on stage. It's mostly the normal,
Right. So
performance.
I actually
that we-
liked your performance with KiDi at the 3 Music.
Yeah, that was mad.
That was good.
That was mad. Hey, big shout outs to KiDi, Charlie.
That was fire.
Big shout outs to KiDi. That was amazing, Charlie. He actually helped me, come out more and then express myself.
That's cool.
Yeah. Because when we started, I was finding it difficult singing some of the, some notes and stuff. I was like, Charlie, kill him. Forget about everyone. Yeah. From there, Charlie, we just did it.
But it's good that you have friends in the industry, right? Do you have friends in the industry?
Yeah, Charlie.
Tell the truth, or you have disagreements with some of them.
No. I don't have any problem with anybody. But I feel like in this industry, you can't really have friends. You understand? It's just be neutral and then do you. If the person vibes with you, vibe with the person. But I wouldn't say go into like a friendship like, Charlie, we are friends. You understand? I think it's safe to just stay neutral and then if the person vibes with you, vibe back. But don't be like a backstabber or just
So
be
you're
you.
saying we should all be fake?
No, not fake. No, I'm not saying be fake. Just stay in your lane. If the person vibes with you, you vibe with the person. If you feel like, Charlie, you want to link up with the person, link up with. But don't go out of your lane to impress the person.
Yes, that's it.
Else you come off as fake. So you just stay cool, Charlie. If you see the person, oh bro, how far? It's been a long time. Blah blah blah. It ends there. If you guys want to work together, you work together. But I wouldn't say take it as a friendship, as in World Cup friendship where Charlie you're visiting each other. And that's like, nah.
That's actually a tough pill to swallow for a lot of
Yeah.
people because
of course.
when you first come out, your songs everywhere. I mean, the love is deep. Then it seems like people just want you to do as well as they want you to do. But when you surpass it, for a lot of people, it becomes a problem. So I think that's genuine advice.
Exactly.
You know?
Just stay
Who's your
neutral,
friend?
Charlie.
Who's
Just
Who's
stay
my
neutral.
friend? You're my friend, and that's my
And you
boyfriend.
don't pick out hoes. Varsky, what's happening? So I mean, like that's perfect advice, But the thing is, whenever we have guests on the show, there are questions that we tell them to ask us, and in our DMs, we kept seeing one name coming up. And Varsky saw it, and I was like, oh, here we go again. And the best person to address issues is the person themselves, from the horse's mouth. It's great to have a great relationship with KiDi.
Yeah.
And we've always been speaking about camaraderie and artists working together. And then we see there's an issue with Kuami Eugene possibly. Is that the case? Or there's no issue there?
I feel like whatever people are hearing is not that deep. You understand? It's not that deep. It's just one of those
Why
things.
do you
It
feel
will
like
pass.
we put, negative news sells, but why do you feel like we always want to pit people against each other? It seems like it's a constant thing.
It's something that people love here. People love.
So you
they
and
love
Kuami
it.
are actually cool.
I wouldn't say I haven't spoken to him in a while, but I think that when I see him, we'll just what's up, everything cool. But it's not that deep that somebody will just frown and then it's not that deep. It's
So
not
then
that deep.
tell us from you what actually happened. What's the story?
Okay, so I went to an interview, right, and the person interviewing me was like, so it be you then Eugene where they steal songs, nah. That's what jokingly. And I was like, Pacho Sede, and then he said it again, and I was like, so when I will say, I was like, oh, say Eugene there or not start here, jovially, like I was just playing with it, like or not start here on your PhD or more. And then I went on to say that, but they should take the theft thing out of it because we are all being creative. That's what I said, and that nobody's stealing nothing. We're just being creative, and I laughed about it and we moved on. But this is something that Eugene had done before. He also said something like that jovially, in a very jovial way.
Yeah.
And I didn't think that, probably the way he read it, or the way it was presented to him.
So I think
Interpreted
the
the
problem
wrong way.
is the person who interviewed Kuami Eugene asked the question that Mr. Drew said you're a thief. You see the whole
You see?
so I mean he hadn't even seen the
Look at
interview
that.
to show
You
us
understand?
And he
why
never
is he
said
saying that about
anything.
me?
You understand? So I think that is just the
Presenters
person.
trying to-
How
Yeah.
media tends to push
Exactly.
these things.
Exactly. But it's not even that deep. It's not even
Yeah.
that
Not that deep.
Yeah. Let's talk a little bit about sampling music
Yeah.
because the greatest artists sample music.
Yeah.
Kanye West is, I think, the best sampler
They
of
do
all
it
time.
everywhere.
Kanye West is like a genius when it comes to
Yeah,
sampling, like
yeah.
stretching vocals, slowing them down. What do people not understand about sampling music or just jumping on a beat and the song does well? Because if songs don't do well, no one will say, "Oh, he stole the song" or he sampled the music.
Honestly, I feel like the age that we are in, people don't know much about like into details about music.
Yeah.
Right? Because it's just about them enjoying the music and they
Yeah.
don't know that sampling is allowed. There are lots of things about music that people here don't know. You understand? But outside they know it, so they're like really chilled about it. That's why people do covers all the time. Covers are very normal. But when you do a cover, you're always like, oh, and so we because you're a big artist and you did a cover of a song. And
It becomes an issue.
Yeah.
Because there are covers, remixes, there's
Exactly.
sampling.
Exactly.
You know, there's
So,
melodies you can borrow from.
Basically, even the progressions that we usually do here.
Yeah, I was gonna come to that. You see, there's nothing new. There's nothing new. I mean, I can list like 7 songs that have the same progression. Like 4 Odo Thunder, Obiato, Sing My Name, Nobody by Mr. Easy. The same chord progression. And that was activated by Stonebwoy, which is just recent. So I think what he's saying is right. People just don't understand sampling. It's done then Bruno Mars is not an artist. Do you get my point? Because most of his songs are sampled songs and they are amazing. Kanye West, Timbaland.
Yeah.
People been
Timbaland.
sampling like crazy.
Maybe when they just have a conference and just educate everyone. You know, you get your glasses on, you get your suit on.
Even our old artists used to do it a lot.
Yeah.
I don't want to mention this.
Even they have like that was crowd. It'd be like cover or what?
Arachiche. Have you heard Arachiche?
Yeah.
Yes, it was a. Yeah.
That's just you remind me, but and then come on 70.
That's true. That's true. Anyways,
Yes.
yeah, that's why we have the artists here, you know, to let these artists.
Yeah.
So hopefully we get music from you and Kuami.
Oh, definitely.
That would be dope. Versky.
That would be
Definitely.
lit.
Versky, you know what I tell you have to do, you gotta do it.
Come on.
I don't know who's gonna feature who.
It's gonna happen. I mean,
With me in the video.
Of course, I have to be. There's no
What will
way
you
you
be
can do
doing?
another video. Obviously, this, I'm not going to lie,
Rusty,
this
your
mood
face
challenge,
changed.
I'm not going to do it. The
Rusty,
mood
your face
challenge,
changed.
I
What's
won't do.
what you want to do for the videos then?
I'm going to be the video girl. Why not?
Why?
I'm the main chick.
Anyways, guys,
Let's
it's
move
time
on.
for social media.
Let's see the questions that
happening?
you guys
Yeah.
have been asking on our beautiful screen. Yes. Okay, so Lucinda says, bro, when should we expect a song from you and KiDi?
Oh, Charlie, very soon. I think we have songs already, so just watch out.
Hey.
Yeah, we have songs, plenty
So,
songs.
to be on the album, will one of them be on the album?
Some will be on the album, some will be dropped off the album.
You guys, you heard it here first, okay?
Exclusive.
Exclusive. Mr. Drew said KiDi and his song on the album.
Yeah.
Yo, that's it. All right, Kwame Nitro says, so do you and Sefa, what's up?
I really
Mind
want to
day.
know. What's up?
We all want to know. We
How
all
choke?
wanna-
How you choke? What you
Wow.
choke? What you choke? Who choke? Who
Wow.
choke who?
Oh, Safa is a very nice person.
Go on, elaborate.
Oh, she's a very nice person. That's
What do you like about her?
I like everything about it.
What is there not to like about it? Can we just be very honest?
I mean, like when you look at Safa, you will like, you will like,
You like everything.
you will
like
like
it.
everything,
Say
what she's doing.
everything.
Like it.
Oh
We
my
like it.
goodness.
We like your Papa Sefa.
Yeah.
You will like
We
everything.
The way we like you,
I'm
We
cringing.
like you so much.
Whoa!
I am not part of this. But anyways, yeah, next question, right? Kweku Palmer, how I could get you for my song talk without paying? Wow. Kumaeshi. Wow.
Very
How much does it
nice.
actually cost to get Mr. Drew on a song? That's a good question.
That one there, unless you talk with my management too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Roughly, give us
No,
estimate.
I can't.
Why?
I can't because it depends on the feature.
If you
as
pull
well.
up in the Benz, there's the price. If you pull up in the Mattis, there's the price. You know?
So it depends on your full,
You go watch your
full
level.
gauge.
Exactly. From Joanna. So you then, who did your next album top? Maybe we expect some international collaborations. And
Oh yeah. You have features from South Africa, Nigeria,
whoa, that'd be dope.
That's good.
Kenya. You know, we're trying to get, you know, like from different parts of Africa. You understand? And hopefully go there to do like a media.
That'd be lit.
Yeah. So
But for all of the songs on your album, are you gonna do a challenge for every single
no.
one?
I can't do that. It will be boring. Nah, I can't do that.
Okay.
I might just do just one out of the 13 songs.
Okay.
Yeah.
Interesting.
I just want to say, Duro, so your team is working. Because I know your team, like, I don't know how you guys do or how artists with like big teams you do it. Again, like Kuami, like KiDi, like yourself. Like even the big artists like Shatawale.
Yeah.
What a lot of people don't know is there's a lot of groundwork
100% behind the
who
scenes.
that goes into this. So I think just want to say big ups to your team, man. You guys,
And the funny thing is,
Yeah.
there are just some few people, like just 1, 2, 3, 4. Some few people, but then they work really hard. So big shout outs to my team, Charlie, myself, Buga, team Buga. We are the Tibo Mwana, BBI fan.
Let's say also advise it, spliff.
Spliff, please stop wearing that you're skinny.
Yes.
But
Why?
then if
I like
He likes the
understand
they like the
I
skinny
don't
skinny.
understand it. Why?
Like pumping.
Yeah, yeah,
Spliff,
yeah.
he just spliff. No skinny.
But I don't
No
understand.
skin.
You're with Spiff all the time. Why doesn't he know how to dance yet?
See, I've never seen a DJ that is off. Them like Charlie, let them be like. See, if they dance, no, you guys go shock.
again,
DJ
I'm
Spliff,
not
he
a part
be
of
bad.
this. You know, I'm just enjoying the conversation. Right now, it's time for your music video, which
Yeah.
we're going to get into
Yeah.
right now. So, Mood, right?
Yeah.
I guess it's best you introduce it to your fans.
Yo, what's up, people? It's your boy, Mr. Drew, and you're about to check out my new music, Mood. Let's go. Silly.